Guys, welcome back again. So this is the new day, right? So today is day 32 for the 100 days of cloud AWS series. Alright, so yesterday we finished for day 31 and we successfully did it. So now it is time for day 32. Here the lab title is we had to take a snapshot and we had to do restoration of an RDS instance. So if we are ready, now let's click the start button. So let me go to tlddraw.com. So I think I'm gonna have to wait around 1 minute this loading process. This is the current RDS instance status. So RDS database current DB RDS instance. So from this current RDS instance, they take a snapshot. Take a snapshot as an AP snapshot. That is for for backup. Their purpose may be about for backup plan. So this snapshot will be stored into new RDS instance. So this is a new RDS instance. So like this. Sorry. New RDS instance. Yeah. So then let me change the color. All right. Okay, so we're gonna read the given instruction. But let me copy first right here. Okay, let me read the given instruction. So the Nautilus development team is preparing for a major update to their database infrastructure. So to ensure a smooth transition and to safeguard data, the team has requested to the DevOps team to take a snapshot of the current RDS instance and restore it to a new instance. So here, this is a new instance. This is the current RDS instance. So you will clearly see that. So this process is crucial for testing and validation purpose before the update is rolled out to the production environment. So this is a very crucial part of the, production, making a software, an application, something like that. Because before we launch new product to the production environment, production stage, we should consider this part carefully, right? So the snapshot will serve as a backup. So this snapshot we're gonna take the snapshot. This snapshot serve, this snapshot serve as a backup plan. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Okay, and the new instance will be used to verify that the backup process works correctly and that the application can function seamlessly with the restore data. Alright, that's great. So as a member of the notorious DevOps team, our task is to perform the following. So the first thing is we have to take a snapshot from this current existing RDS instance, and we have to name it here datacenter-snapshot for the snapshot name. And please wait datacenter-rds instance to be available state. So before we take a snapshot, we need to know the current status of the RDS instance. So let me check it out. So okay, how to check the current state of AWS from the CentOS terminal. So okay, let me check status. So we can run this command. We can run with the instance name is here RDS. Okay, that's great. Oh, we need to know instance ID. Instance naming. Let me find like this. I don't want to use ID, so I will use this DB instance identifier with the exact name, so we can see the status. So here RDS instance data is backing up, not changing into the available state. So we're gonna have to wait until the state is changed into the available state, and after that we have to take a snapshot. So okay, so let me copy this whole sentence and let me find in the new tab of the Google. So how to take a snapshot. So from the CentOS terminal. Okay, so okay, so let me check it again, the status of the RDS instance. Okay, now it changed into available state. So now we are allowed to take a snapshot. So let me run these comments. So this is instance name, RDS instance name. So this is snapshot name. So everything is correct. So we are ready to run this command. So we successfully create take a snapshot right now. So you can verify like this for the status of the snapshot. So here snapshot is also stated is creating. That's great. So I think we're gonna have to wait a moment to change into available state. So and after that we have to restore the snapshot to a new RDS instance. Right here to a new RDS instance, we have to restore the snapshot. So our new RDS instance name is datacenter -snapshot-restore, and then we have to configure the new RDS instance is db.t3.micro. So okay, So okay, let me copy this whole sentence and let me find a new tab. So how to store, so that has a, so this new RDS instance has a class of db.t3.micro. So to be accurate, I run like this. I find like this. So from there, send OS terminal. So we have to run this command. So now let me check it again, the status or the snapshot. Okay, snapshot is still creating. Because we take the whole snapshot, the snapshot for the whole database RDS instance, right? So that's why it takes time. So for this comment, let me modify this. So snapshot identifier name, and so snapshot identifier name is right here, datacenter dash snapshot. That's a snapshot name. So I will remove this. So I will give the correct name, and then db instance identifier. So this is the new instance ID, right? A new instance name, right? So new instance name is datacenter-snapshot-restore, right? So here, so this is correct. We don't need to fix that. And then db instance class is db.t3.micro. So now we are ready to run this command. All right, so let me check it again. Yeah, so now the snapshot state is changed into available state. So now we are ready to run this command to restore the snapshot into the new RDS instance. So okay, let me run this. Okay, so we successfully restore the snapshot into the new RDS instance. So finally we had to verify the new RDS instance. The new RDS instance must be in the available state upon completion of the restoration process. So for that, we can run this, for the verification. So here, so we can check this. Actually, these comments are the same. Yeah. So, okay, but we had to change the RDS instance name. So it is also still creating. We just have to wait around maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes in order to change into available state. So after this step, I think it's been successful, and then we can click that check button. Here we don't need to create new RDS instance separately, right? Because when we restore the snapshot, we directly create the new RDS instance at the same time. So that's great. So let me check the status again. It's still creating. How about now? Oh yeah, something changed. Configuring, enhance, monitoring. And after this, it may change into backup state, and finally we will get the available state. I hope so, like that. Yeah, now it is changed into backing up state. Yeah, still backing up. This is GUI instructions. Okay, let me check it again. Oh, it's still modifying. How about now? Okay, so finally we get the available state. So we finished for this lab. So it's time to submit the test. Alright, so let me click the check button and click confirm. Yeah, so it's been successful, but we spent a little bit of time. Alright, so I will start here and click yes, no issue faced, submit. Okay, so finally we did it successfully. So thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video.